Hey guys, can you see me inside this car with a tint? Obviously you can see me now the way it is, but with this tint it's pretty dark, and problem is I'm getting a little old, and in the dark here, in the daytime I'm okay, but this tint's on the dark side that I can't see out at night, so I need to remove it for now. I'll put a lighter tint on it for two reasons. One, my visibility, so I can see better. It's like me wearing sunglasses at night. I'm just getting too old for that. The second thing is, this car is already, what do I want to call it, an attention getter. And I don't want that kind of attention, if you know what I mean. It looks clean with the tint, but because of that attention, I'd rather not have it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. I'm going to show you how I do it with a steamer. All right, we'll be right back. It's always good to do it on a hot day. Start from the top. This is a little steamer. So I'm going to steam the tint to loosen the grooves. Look how steamy that is. You can see how steamy that is. Anyways. I'm gonna so I want to get the corner. I know people are gonna hate me for this, but like I said, it is dark. I can't even see the other side here. That's how dark it is. I think it's like limo. And it should make it a little bit more cleaner to get. I could use a razor blade on this part, but I just want to see if my fingers could get it. Whoever tinted this did a great job. There we go. Yep. And you can see it's starting to peel. And that's, the steam makes it easier to get it out, and it won't leave a sticky residual as much. You can see it's not sticky. There's no sticky residual. It comes out pretty clean. I think it's also because it's a good tint. There's a little sticky right here because I was pulling on it. So I need to add a little bit more, but overall, it's not sticky. Just a little bit right there. You see it? You can see the lines, but pretty good overall. Okay, guys? Thanks for hanging in there. We'll have nicer videos that are not so painful with tint, but this is one I had to do. Thanks.